How to reset your uHoo device. If the light on your device is blinking and it's offline on the app, you need to reset it. Unplug the device for 5 seconds and plug it back in. Using a paper clip, press the reset button at the back of your uHoo for 5 seconds. The light should turn to a steady blue light. Unplug the device for 5 seconds and plug it back in. Again, please check if there's a steady blue light. If so, you can continue with the setup. Confirm your Wi-Fi connection. Connect your phone to your uHoo via your phone settings. Choose your device under the available Wi-Fi networks. Once connected, go back to the app. Connect your uHoo to the Wi-Fi. Your uHoo is now ready to monitor your air.